Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Flippin' heck, what a day. Getting ready for tomorrow's FOMC report. I've never seen anything like it. It's looking pretty hot for tomorrow. We've been here before. We've had 20% days before. It does happen. Is it about to happen again? Well, we'll find out. Let's get ready to go. This is going to be one heck of a day. No question about it. More importantly, is it all about to be dumped? Have you been buying all the way up? I hope not. You should have been holding your positions for a long time now. That's what I've been doing. And I've been only buying the dips for a year and a half, taking the pain. Tomorrow, does the bull market start? No, of course it doesn't. It's a bear market rally. However, it's great to see it. We're enjoying it. So let's get ready. If it's your very first time here, please do click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. And let's get ready for an explosive day. Could be interesting. All right, so this is my portfolio right now, up 1.49, 36,492. It's a new all-time high. And the S&P is up 1% and still going. That's the biggest part of my portfolio. You cannot go wrong. Look at that. It's broken through $15,000 now. There it is. There's my position. Shall we have a look now at my all-time position? I will tell you now that I am at an all-time high. Very, very exciting. I'm really, really excited about it. But it's a long time in the planning, really. If I'm honest, it's been a year and a half of pain. But we've got a dramatic swing, and it's accelerating as I speak to you right now. There it is, 36,000. That's the highest I've ever had in my brokerage account without margin. My Roth IRA, 11,700, the most I have ever had without margin. In fact, more now than I had with margin. There it is, 48,227. I've just got paid from YouTube, so I've added a bit of money, but that money has already gone up. It's I've set limit orders to buy my all-time lows. You can see it accelerating all the time. This is absolutely great. I am expecting, though, a sell-off later on. It's why I'm not buying anything. I'm fully invested. Let's get ready. It's going to be one heck of a day tomorrow. Virgin Galactic is up 1.34. Virgin Orbit, which if we could sell this now at a 70 cents, which I don't think there's any chance in hell of that happening, I'm accepting now that I've lost the $850. Even though I'm basically only investing 168, essentially, I'm expecting to lose that money. I've accepted it. I'm leaving it in there. If it goes to zero, it goes to zero. I've never had a stock go to zero. This could be the first one. But I put a video out earlier. I don't know if you've seen it, about what I think potentially could be inside information, could be Sir Richard Branson holding out, knowing he's got someone about to buy the business, because now it's virtually free. I mean, it's insane. You can buy a rocket and a plane and a factory and everything else for 172 million bucks. It's a lot for me and you, but it's not for a billionaire, is it? Or a multi-millionaire. It's not for them either. Anyway, there you go. What is your 11,000? What do you mean, what is my 11,000? My Roth IRA. Is that what you're talking about? There's my Roth IRA, 11,000. That's my all-time high. This is all Robinhood. You have two parts of Robinhood now. You have the brokerage account and the Roth IRA. And these are all-time highs. 48,233. This is phenomenal. Absolutely great. However, so when it says I've got a buying power of $104, I've already allocated all my buys to buy my all-time lows. And I say all-time lows, I mean all-time lows. So if we get a crash in the morning, I'll go shopping. I haven't got to think about it. I don't have stress. I know exactly where I'm going to buy it, and it will just happen. Vision for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I believe, and Ali Tizro will probably back me up on this. He's our crypto guy. Remember, I surround myself by a team of people who provide me all the information that I need. I'm not an expert in anything. I bring everyone together and I surround myself by the right people. $28,000 to $30,000 is where I see Bitcoin going and then dumping. And that's great because I have an average of, I will share with you, my average is 15,000. That's my average. Let me go back over here and I'll show you. Look, there's my average, 15,000. Now, there's nothing there because it's all in my Coinbase and my ledger. I don't leave it online. I take it off. I know Coinbase is online, but my ledger is offline. So my average is 15,000. And that's where I'm going to buy it, if not lower. I'm not paying a penny more for it because at the end of the day, if Bitcoin is going to $1 gazillion like YouTubers will tell you it is, and the only reason they tell you that is so you'll watch their videos, which is ridiculous. I won't do that. If it does go, unless I believe it with facts, not just I want you to watch my channel. If it does go to $1 gazillion, my couple of $1,000s worth of Bitcoin that I have, will be worth a nice tidy sum. I don't need to buy any more. I know what my targets are. 100 grand this year, 200 grand next year, and we're now toying with the idea, can I reach $1 million on my portfolio? And I might soon be about to announce that as a target, and I've never not achieved anything in my life. So you never know. It might be our new target. I haven't made my mind up yet because it would require a certain amount of commitment from me, above 10 times above where I am now. Anyway, I'm still thinking about it. Baron Hanley, good afternoon, Baron Hanley. Bought in 2016. I have 20 BTC. Congratulations. I bet you feel great, right? Imagine that. I'd love to own one, but we mustn't get carried away. Owning a Bitcoin isn't like you own a gold coin or anything like that. All right, you own just as much. You have just as much involvement for $1 as you do a million. You don't own anything physical. You own a string of code. That's it. So there's no such thing as a Bitcoin. It's just the way we measure it. So don't feel. I always thought I wanted to own one Bitcoin, and the only thing it would mean is it would be like a share. It would say 1 rather than 0.000. It doesn't mean anything. But so don't feel. I'm telling people that because I don't want anyone to feel like not as good as someone else because I don't have one Bitcoin. It doesn't matter if you have $10 a Bitcoin or $1 million a Bitcoin. But it is wonderful to see we have someone here with 20 Bitcoin. Congratulations for that. Absolutely brilliant. A vision for Bitcoin. Wow. Why are you not a member? I know. A vision for Bitcoin. I have no idea. Should be a member to our channel, right? 99 cents. Hey, we got a super chat. Hey, thank you very much for the support. Yes, Ali Tizro is our crypto guy. I absolutely agree. Why vision of Bitcoin? Because for a couple of bucks a month, you could be a member, receive 20 times back what you get in, access to Discord where you can talk to Ali, see the crypto challenge, see what he's doing. I've got the 1,000 to 10,000. I'm looking at going from the 7,000 to 100,000 now. So I'm surprised that vision for Bitcoin isn't taking advantage of that. That would be very beneficial to him. Let's have a look. Let's read all the comments. I give already enough. I give already enough. Vision for a Bitcoin, spare a tenner. I love it. Nice one, Vision. Do you remember Ugai's 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 pizzas? Yeah, we all know about that. Back when it was worth a couple of cents. Send me Bitcoin, please. Ali Tizro's put his crypto. He's put his coin. He's put his Bitcoin wallet on the screen. It doesn't matter what's important. His entry point. Indeed, it does. That's what it's all about. Of course, it does. That's what it's all about. But that's very cool. Very excited. Vision for Bitcoin. We'd love to have you as a member, not for your $2 a month. That's not what it's for. It's so you can access Discord, call into the show, beyond the show. We've got some very, very big investors on our show. I'm going to share with you one of them now who has millions invested in crypto. I'm going to share him on the screen now. It's a bit of a celebrity on my show, and this could be you. If you are a member, you can be just like this guy. Here we go. Let's share it on the screen.
The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at coingeek.com and gorillapool.com. It's been a pleasure.
There you go. That's Kurt Wookert, who is very, very big in the crypto scene. Has got millions of followers across different social medias, big on Twitter and all that. So one of the guests on my show, and there you go. All right, so I'm looking at. I've got an invitation. I've got an opportunity to have Satoshi Nakamoto, Dr. Craig Wright, on the show. I talked to him privately, and I've never taken him up on it yet. It's something that I am talking with his agent. It's dealt through his agent. I don't know if it's right for my channel yet, but I'm still in conversation over that. You remember I mentioned that a while ago. And we've also got Greg Dickerson, who's friends of, what's his name? The guy who does, who's most famous online for doing all the chart reading. Technical analysis guy, one of the most famous in the industry. I forgot his name now. Can't believe I just... it'll come to me in a minute. Holloway. Not Greg Holloway. Something Holloway. Doug Holloway. What's his name? Somebody Holloway. I'm talking there as well. The name's gone now. Not Justin Holloway. He'll come to me in a minute. Anyway, one of you will tell me, I'm sure. Anyway, we've got to do a because a lot of you have mentioned about having people on the show like this. So they're all in the pipeline. I'd like to have Sir Richard Branson on the show, and that could happen one day as well. I've got connections there. Anyway, if anyone could tell me what his name is, somebody Holloway. I forgot his name. Can't believe it. Anyway, a celebration. We had a celebration. And I'm sorry it's Vision for Bitcoin. I'm sorry it's been a minute wait. I normally do it straight away, but I wanted to do it. So we just got a super chat from our Bitcoin shareholder here. Okay, thank you ever so much for your... there we go. Thank you very much. Thank you ever so much for that super chat. That was from Vision for Bitcoin. Craig Wright, SV Bitcoin, BSV. Yes, we've got a lot of people, a lot of BSV fans of this show who watch me and talk to me on Twitter. Right, the portfolio is still increasing quite quickly now. I like this slow, steady growth. It's what I've been digging the ditches for a year and a half. Am I finally going to get payday? Well, let's have a look. This is my portfolio. This is look at my Roth IRA. We only started this in December. I maxed out in December, which didn't start until December for April 2024. So I'm a year and 3 months ahead there. And then we started the 23, which I've got until April next year to finish. We've got that done. Well, not done. We've got 2,000 to go. 2,075 to go. So we're trying to max that out. And once that maxes out, there is no more matches until January the 1st, 2024. So all the money will go in my brokerage account. Okay, and we'll start building up there. Anyway, let's carry on. Let's go through a minute. We've got the S&P. Now we're preparing for tomorrow. It's all about tomorrow. We are getting ready for Jerome Powell. We'll be live with it on the show. If you've not yet taken part in the poll, we've got several polls going on the community tab. I'm going to give you the link for the community tab right now. It's on the homepage of the YouTube channel. I'll give it you twice in case you missed it. And we are doing several polls you might want to take part in. First of all, we're doing when I fly on Virgin Galactic. I'm hoping to fly one day, and I'm going to go there anyway and to the space station. Which song should be played on the rocket? 35 votes. I'm winning 66%, or Khalid. That's the official Virgin Records song. Our next poll is what's the best crypto to own? 65 votes now. BTC, that was supposed to be BTC. I apologize for the spelling mistake. You can't change it afterwards. Ethereum, Shiba, or BSV. BSV has got no votes at all. 2%. Bitcoin is miles ahead. And lastly, what's the best stock to own? 133 votes. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, or neither. Go and check that out on the homepage of the YouTube channel. Okay, very good. Very exciting today. Okay. Virgin Orbit. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic is up. Virgin Orbit. Now, did you see my video that came out half an hour ago suggesting the potential for, I know it's not right, insider trading, but do you think it's possible that Richard Branson, there are rumors all over social media that Sir Richard Branson has someone to buy the business. However, it's not public knowledge right now. It's just people rumoring about it. What happens if he lets the price go down to 20 cents? I mean, it could happen because everyone thinks there's no news that the company are going bankrupt. And then all of a sudden, someone buys it. And remember, this is the reality. You can buy a rocket, a plane, the whole shooting match for 172 million. Richard Branson's got nothing to lose. He's got preferred stock. He's not got common stock like us guys. He's got preferred stock. He's going to get, if it defaults, he will get his money out. He will get the plane. He'll get everything else, and he'll walk away. What if someone's about to buy the business for, let's say, 20 cents a share, and they're just waiting for it to go down, come in and swoop it all up? It's why I'm holding it. Is anybody else holding it? Is anybody else buying Virgin Orbit? We had a poll this morning, and everyone said it was 100% that nobody would buy in. It's market manipulation. Exactly, Vision. That's what I'm suggesting. Do you think that could be happening? It's totally illegal. It's not supposed to happen. That doesn't mean to say it doesn't. I mean, look at Nancy Pelosi, her husband. He's always getting inside information. So what do you think of that? Can we look at Coinbase when you have a chance? Big day for XRP. Absolutely right. This is my Ali Tizro challenge that we're doing. I'm on the $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. And this is my Coinbase position. I can't show you the assets, of course, because if I show you the assets, you will know exactly it's a premium service that Ali Tizro is doing for you. He's telling you all about the crypto, which one to buy, when to buy it, when to sell it, you know, and so on. And I put $1,000 in, and I, as you can see, and this has all been done with just like 30% of the money. The majority of my money is still in USD and USDC. And this is what I like with Ali. Okay, Ali isn't the normal crypto guy who just, like on YouTube, buy Bitcoin, it's going to go $1 million. It's all about the entry point. And he's studying that for me. I don't have to study the charts. Ali's doing all that for me. And just below here, you will see my assets. There you go. There's my USDC coin. That's where $700 out of my 1,000 is sitting. The rest is below there. I can't share with you because otherwise it would be defeat the point of it being a premium service. But the point is, what I'm saying is, I've made all that from just 30% of my money, which is phenomenal, really, when you think about it. Ali isn't going to just buy everything now like, you know, YouTubers do. He's telling me when to buy it, and I like that. And it's a very safe approach because I'm earning good interest on my USDC and adding the right coins at the right time. I love it. It's a great challenge. I'm looking now at shifting to the 7,000 to 100,000 challenge. As my portfolio is growing so quickly, it makes sense. All right, let's look at the heat map very quickly. We're starting to get a little bit of red, and the biggest gains of the day are Amazon, Tesla, Google, You can see that, and you know why my portfolio is up so much, right? It's one of the biggest parts of my portfolio, Amazon, the S&P. But J&J is going down, which is what I'm buying. I'm not buying what's going up. I'm buying what's going down. As long as the fundamentals don't change, then I want to continue with that strategy. So here we are right now. We're now up to 36. These are all-time highs. There's my Roth IRA maxed out. Still going up. Flipping heck. This is only since December. I started this 3 months ago. Look at that, nearly 12 grand. I can't believe it. 48,276. You know what I'm going to be asking you soon? Am I going to hit 50,000? We never did it. We never did it. We never did it with $50,000 of margin. We never did it with $50,000 of margin. We are pretty close now to doing it. But tomorrow could be a big drop. That's why I've bought nothing. For what price would it be bought then? You're talking about Virgin Orbit? Why, have you got the money, mate? Have you got the money? It's 172 million, which is a lot of money. But when you consider you're buying a rocket and you're buying a Boeing 747, a company, their assets, the business, they've got the contracts, they just run out of money. I mean, it's not a bad deal, right? I think I might buy it. I wonder if I can buy it. Feel free to show all assets for whoever is with us now. I don't mind. It would be wise to buy the assets now anyway. I don't mind, as it wouldn't be wise. Okay, Ali, I will do that. Ali wants me to show the assets that we've got in Coinbase. Okay, you shouldn't be buying them now. This is what you could have had. This is like Bullseye. You remember Bullseye when they said, this is what you could have won? You could have won. So here we go. For the very first time, I'm showing you the assets we bought. So for all of you who are crypto enthusiasts, you'll like this. The USD coin is most of my portfolio. There you go, earning 4%. We've got XRP. There you go. That's how much I've got of it, 123 bucks. Bitcoin 74, Dogecoin 55, Multiverse. Now some of these Multiverse, I think Multiverse was I bought Multiverse. Yep, Multiverse X. Litecoin, Flow, Pluton, Filecoin, the Sandbox. There's a bit of cash. Near Protocol. These are what I won for free using my Coinbase. Access was free, AMP was free, Clover was free, and IoTex was free. I won all that with my Coinbase. So, if you want to win some free Bitcoin and some free coins for doing absolutely nothing, and you can, by the way, I will gladly share with you my link here in the chat. You too can get free assets. Okay, here it is. I'll copy it right now. You get $10 of Bitcoin. Anybody want $10 of Bitcoin for doing absolutely sod all? And then, of course, you can do the quizzes and earn some more money. I will give it you in the chat right now. Here we go. There you go. There it is in the chat. That's my Coinbase referral. If you use that, you'll get $10 of Bitcoin for doing nothing. And then you can do another sort of 10, 20 bucks of all the free assets. I've done all those. I just keep doing them. Look at all those worthless coins. There's Churchy. You say worthless though. You say worthless though. But at the end of the day, Ali, I've got no risk or stress whatsoever, and I've only invested $1,000, and most of it is not even invested. It's still in cash, and I'm up, $117. I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good, to be honest. In 3 months? 2 months? I've not worried about it. I've not had any stress. I think that's pretty good. Pump the stock to the sky, said Vision for Bitcoin. We can't pump anything on this channel. We're too small. I'm buying at 25 cents. Virgin Orbit. But Richard did it once in 2018 with Space. Pump it and sold it. And there you go. Wouldn't you lose if you bought in now and then someone takes over for 20 cents? Of course. Of course, if you buy now, it goes to 20 cents. No. Hang on. No, ETORO. If you buy now and it goes down to 20 cents and someone buys the whole company 20 cents, no, the stock will go up to like $3 or $4. Because if someone buys in and backs it and there's a huge buy-in, the price goes up. What makes the price of a stock go up? Mass buying. What makes it go down? Mass selling. Simple as that. It could pop up, and if someone bought $147 million worth of Virgin Orbit, in other words, bought the company, bought all the shares, the price would go to $3 or $4 in minutes. That's the point. 0.25 point increase. 0.25% increase is rubbish. 0.25 point increase is rubbish. We will never tame inflation. They need to pretend. Generally, directors have a duty to maximize value of their shareholders. So if it was to be sold, you'd assume it'd be at 30% premium or so. If company trading at 40 cents a share, then sold for 50. Yeah, but someone could just come in and buy all the shares today. You don't have to just sell the company. The stocks are available for sale. They're publicly traded. Someone could just come in now and buy, I don't know, however many shares they want. I don't know. Look, I'll do it now, shall I? Right? How many shares are there right now? If we go, there are 170 million. Let's just round it up. We'll do it right now. Okay, here we go. Okay. 170 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divided by 0.425. There you go. There are 400 million shares. 400 million shares. Okay? That's interesting. It comes out exactly that, doesn't it? Anyway, 400 million. So now I'll go into here and I will buy 400 million shares. Leah just come in the door. She's thinking, what? 400 million? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. 169,000, which is basically what we said, 175. Review the order. Please update order. The maximum share amount has been reached. Please update your share order to less or equal than 3 million. There you go. I can only buy 3 million. In fact, that's a good idea. Look at that. That shows you what's available for the company. Look at that. Basically, the entire company is 400 million shares. 400 million. And it says here, the maximum share amount has been reached. Please update your order to less or equal than 3 million. So you can't buy the whole company. There's 3 million, not 400 million. So in other words, there are 397 million shares you can't buy. You can only buy 3 million. Okay, so let's update it then. I want to buy 3 million shares. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 million. It's going to cost me $1,272,000. Review the order. The number of shares is higher than your average on VORB. Please review your order. The number of shares of this order is higher than average for VORB. You are taking a great risk. That doesn't matter. Continue. Continue. Make a deposit. You don't have enough buying power. What do you mean? I don't have 1,200,000. Anyway, we've had some fun. So you've seen exactly how it works. You can't buy the whole company, but you can buy 3 million shares. That was interesting, wasn't it? Some of you thinking that was a complete waste of time. We didn't think you were going to buy all the company anyway. But anyway, I might have done. Let me just check my buy orders coming in. I've just thought I had some coming in then for a second, but I don't. We've just hit another high as well. Yep, here we go. Nothing will. Again, the banks will be saved before regular people. Bill Salmons over on Facebook. Hello, come on YouTube, join us. Join the Discord. If they are real about taming inflation, they would do a full 1 point increase for 6 months. Oh my gosh. Then every bank would be destroyed and everything would go to zero. Have you heard Jim Cramer said, don't bet against the NASDAQ. They are trying to nationalize. There we go. There we go. All-time highs again. All-time high, 48,271. It's only going to get sold off. So enjoy it. I'm not selling anything, no. They are trying to nationalize all the banks. Why would a competitive bank help and give deposit to another bank? All corrupt. We need to realize what is happening before our very eyes. We all know what's going on. It's as clear as flipping day. I don't like inflation. Nobody does. And bring the whole world to a stop. Ali Tizro says, sell high and buy low. Absolutely bloody right. Sell high and buy low. Facts, Mike. Ali Tizro, why we did that during lockdown already. What's your point? But this brings a digital platform, church. What is Virgin Galactic market cap? Let's have a look. Virgin Galactic market cap. Let me just double check. I've just got to do a quick commercial break. You've had me talking too long, you naughty people. You've got me to lose money here. I haven't done a commercial break, so now I'm going to do one. There you go. So do one. I'm going to do one to do one. All right. What is Virgin Galactic market cap? There we go. Virgin Galactic is 1.15 billion. Very different than Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit came out of Virgin Galactic, by the way. So just to give you an idea, it was spawned off it because that rocket they drop is very much like the technology they use on Eve. All right, just so we're all clear of that. Everything was cheap with no inflation, like 1.2 billion or so. That's right. Inflation is important for crypto as well. Yes, it is. Crypto folks should care about it. I do. Keep Litecoin, either BTC and the rest is garbage. Keep Litecoin, Ether, BTC, and the rest is garbage. Well, if Ali Tizro says buy it, I trust Ali Tizro. There you go. Vision for Bitcoin. You could add your information. Ali calls into the show, part of the show. We've got the whole crypto challenge playlist. If you've not checked it out on the homepage of the channel, if you want to follow the entire thing, we have the crypto challenge, the whole thing here on the homepage of the YouTube channel. Just go to the playlist and scroll down, and you will see somewhere here is the crypto challenge. You could just type it in, it'd be quicker for you. But anyway, I just wanted to show you, if you're interested in it, there is the whole crypto challenge playlist here on the homepage under the playlist. As you can see, I have hundreds of playlists, so you can have everything you need. But anyway, if you want to follow that there, I can't see it top of my head, but anyway. Did I just miss it? Someone's going, you just missed it! And all the updates for the crypto challenge will get posted in there. And we'll be making some more soon. Testimonials. Members only. There it is. There it is. The crypto challenge. So there you go. This is where you go if you want to see the entire list. All right. Coinbase, Base, all this kind of stuff. All right. Anyway, it's there. I don't need to show you that. Okay. Litecoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's it, said the Church of Logic. 100%. Church of Logic assets that went up when the Ford is down 30%. We know where this is going because it's not your money. What's not my money? Litecoin. Look at what's not my money. It's all my money. I make money on Ford all the time, Ali. You don't understand how I trade. Ford down 30%, BTC up 50%. We have this sparring going on all the time. So I asked once, I'm going to open the broadcast lounge up. We had Ali Tizro. Brilliant the other day. We had Ali Tizro on the show. We had Ed Nevius on the show. And who was the other person we had? Oh, yeah, Muzanella. We had 3 of our investors live in the channel for the very first time in the broadcast lounge. So if you want to call in, it's only for members only. So we can verify you. You're not idiots, clowns, bots. We have you in here in the broadcast lounge on Discord. You can call in either on video or just on a call. And you can debate. Now, if Ali Tizro wants to call in or Churchy wants to challenge Ali, please feel free. Come on in. The broadcast lounge is now open. I need to get to the bottom of these questions. I'm getting behind. Sorry guys, I'm going to scroll to the bottom. Too many questions right now. Yes, all good with me, mate. Rob Brennan, Ford versus crypto again. We love it. Money being indiscriminately thrown into risky assets because you can't get a decent yield anywhere for over a decade. There we go. We are pretty much at peak. Everything bubble. 0% interest rates for over a decade. Property stocks, art, watches, crypto. Basically everything is in a bubble phase and only one thing can happen. Well, yes, that's why I'm not buying anything. I've already bought at all-time lows. That takes time, of course. It takes patience and time. And that is the one thing that most people don't have, is infinite patience. They want everything now. They don't invest in themselves. They don't invest in education. They just want to buy some scammy coin, something on the internet, and make money in 5 minutes without doing any work. And I love those people because they're very entertaining. And at the end of the day, I just keep on going and I keep investing. And that's what it's all about. It's not gambling, it's investing. Lucid, still way too expensive. Losing money on every single car. Look at Amazon now. Amazon, oh yes indeed. I am up 0.5%. I think that's the first time I've been up on Amazon. I'm up 0.59 on my brokerage. On my Roth IRA, I'm actually up considerably more, but I bought it at a much lower price, and I haven't been adding any more on my brokerage until now, because there's now cash for the first time, and I've set all-time lows. I've set it for $88, in case anyone's wondering what price I've set it for. $88 Amazon. I'll buy it back again. Not advice, but I put into savings one-on-one for every dollar invested. Nice. I literally put every single penny I earn, other than what it is to live at the basic minimum level. I have no car, no mortgage. I go nowhere. I've not had a holiday since 20 years ago, other than going to England in October. That was funded by Kickstarter to make the Virgin Orbit video. I don't smoke, I don't drink, other than my birthday when you all buy me drinks. I don't eat out. I invest everything on this show and building up this portfolio. So that's my strategy. And all I have is the minimum internet. Even though my internet is expensive, I have to have it. Internet, phone bill. I don't buy anything. I've got no hobbies. I'm a sad, lonely person, and this is my life, talking to you guys, and I absolutely love it. Thinking about that for a minute, just think about that. I just realized that I spend my life talking to a screen. You're not really here. Is anybody really there? Are you real? There's no one here, is there? I'm sat in this studio. Look, there's no one here. I'm just walking around on my own. There's no one here. What am I doing? What has my life come to? It's bloody mental, isn't it? Absolutely bloody mental, really, when you think about it. Anyway, Crag, crypto worth is, so I said it's worth more than Ford. Rob Brennan, you're doing the right thing, mate. What is Rob Brennan doing? Rob Brennan is one of my mates. Rob Brennan is one of our biggest supporters to our channel. He was the guy who funded our Virgin Orbit video. And he's also a gold member and has been for the longest time. And we really do appreciate Rob Brennan. I'm getting out of the side hustle mindset and just focusing on my main career and have been able to increase my salary significantly over the last year or so. Rob Brennan, congratulations to you. Very proud of you because you know, you're like me. You never get down. You took a massive hit. You got absolutely walloped with your Virgin Galactic situation, and you didn't give up. You didn't say that was it, I'm done. You restructured. You're paying off the debt, and you're turning it around. I got the utmost respect. Utmost respect. Can we look at XRP? It's pumping, more exciting than these stocks. I can show you again. Oh, actually, I can do it through Robinhood, can't I? I can do it through Robinhood, so I'll do that. Bloody hell, I can't believe it. My portfolio is absolutely pounding. This is all ridiculous, folks. Look at this, Ali. You wanted to know XRP? It's up 24% now, 25%. There you go. Look at that. Phenomenal stuff. It's the new, and of course, I won't be buying anything like that until, well, I've got some, but I won't be buying bucket loads of it until Ali says to buy it. So anyway, let's check our position now. I think we've just hit another new all-time high. There you go, 48,353. I'm not going to say it yet. Am I going to hit 50,000? I can't believe I'm saying that. 50,000. Not that far away, folks, to hit 50,000. Oh, my God. I really didn't expect this today. Anyway, very, very exciting stuff indeed. Let's read some more comments. Are you ready for tomorrow? I hope you are. I'm just looking into this screen a minute. I'm doing face recognition. I have to look down here. So that's what I'm doing right now. Anyway, Microsoft. Tesco. It is. It's mania. Crazy. But people are buying in now. That's why it's going up like this. People are buying in. Not buying anything. Not buying absolutely anything. I'm enjoying it going up. Very excited to see my portfolio grow. The higher it grows, you know, the less it's going to come down. I mean, it'll come down, but if we can get 20% up, say for example, we could lose 10. It's not going to go because people don't want to buy in here and then keep selling. At some point, people who just bought in will just hold. And that's the beauty of how the market works. You just keep buying. You buy on the lows, and eventually it goes up. Like my mate who owns millions of shares of Amazon. I told you about that. Smart Jeffrey. What did Jeffrey say? I missed it. What did Jeffrey say? Yeah, I put into my savings 1-to-1. Very good. I've been trying to say to Martyn to keep 50% of what he earns in cash and not invest it yet. 22, that's exactly what I'm doing now. I want to be absolutely clear, 22, that's exactly what I'm doing. I want to show you. I've stopped buying. I haven't bought anything for ages. Okay? We're just scalping out of Virgin Orbit. Other than that, I haven't bought anything for ages. And if you look on my buying power in my Roth, it says I've got 1,079. That's the first time you've ever seen cash, isn't it? That's the first time you've ever seen cash. And there's actually 2.5 times that much. There's actually 2.5 grand. There's about 20% of my portfolio is cash. You're talking about 50%. I'm not there yet. There's about 20% of my Roth is cash because the other 1.5 grand is set for buy orders at all-time lows and 5% down. So that could happen, you know, 6 o'clock in the morning when I first wake up or whatever. It will go through. So I have. So I've done that, and I'm working up. And if we don't hit all-time highs, I will keep earning money, keep earning dividends. It will keep piling up. So that's what's going on there. And on my brokerage account, I've got $104. I've got another 800 to 1,000 in there. That is on buy orders for the same thing, the all-time lows. So actually, I've been listening to what you've been saying, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Exactly what I'm doing. Martin, can I have a refund for the Kickstarter, please, as I wasn't able to go? Yeah, he's joking. Not Rob Brennan is having a laugh. Yeah. He doesn't believe the system can fail. We are all AI bots. We're all bots. Yeah, I'm a bot. I know you were only joking. Flipping out. I just saw that then. But I read it before. I read it and I knew you were joking. Yeah. We're doing it again this year. We're going to, it looks like we're going to, church. I think we're going to New York. We had a poll today, and overwhelming majority was actually New York. To meet in New York, a weekend in New York, go to the New York Stock Exchange. Can I stay at your house? I've got a couple of friends who live in New York. I thought I'd ask Churchy first. Anyway, Rob Brennan, 100% agree with you. If you are good at that, at what you do, then figure out ways to make multiple streams of income, your talent. That's absolutely right. Let me go back to here a minute. But if we're all bots, then Mike is failing at his job. Yeah, he's rubbish. But you can be selective in the period forward. I'm trying to read all this comment. I think it's your passion. Optimism is good. Bloody hell, so many comments now. This is the first time I've struggled to keep up with the comments. We knew this day was coming, so I'm going to go over to members-only comments in a minute. Members-only comments. I think we'll do that in a minute because you're getting ahead of me. Everyone getting excited about it. It's the mania phase. In fact, let me just double-check a minute. Because we are firing off again now. We're firing off, really firing off now. We're gaining speed. It's not even the same. It's actually gaining speed. I can't believe it. Let me just check that. Oh yeah, only subscribers can chat. That's right. Who was it who told me about that setting the other day? Who was it who told me go to only subscribers can chat? When someone tell me who did that, because I didn't know about that, and I'm now doing that. Look, all my videos are subscribers only can chat. I like that. Thank you very much. Whoever it was who suggested that to me, thank you very much. Let's see what the channel's doing. What's being searched? Virgin Galactic, the Fed, that's right at the top. 6837. 6838. There we go. Moving up again. How many likes have we got? 35 watching and 16 likes. That's not very good, is it? If you're watching the show right now and you want to help support the channel, please just consider smashing the like button. If it's your first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate that. Massive help. All right. All right. I heard a good piece of advice. If one is not good at investing, get good at saving. I try to do both. The Church of Logic, most of the money people made in the market this year was money added in that what they earned on income, not real gains. Indeed. But someone criticised me this morning and said, oh, your portfolio is going up just because you're earning money and putting it in your portfolio. Yeah, of course. I want to invest more and more in the market. If I put $10 in the stock market, obviously, I'm only up 1%, I'm going to be a lot richer and have much more, make more money if I put $1 million in the stock market and make 1%. Obviously, I'm obviously going to keep reinvesting cash all the time. That makes sense. Not only will I earn, I don't earn it right now, but 4.5% APR from Robinhood uninvested cash just for holding the cash as opposed to leaving it in the bank. But I can buy more shares. It's obvious. Rather than buying one share of J&J or one share of Tesla, I can buy 10 shares at a time. And maybe I can go into contracts and buy 100 shares at a time. Anyway, that's a whole different ballgame. New all-time highs from Robinhood. Same for crypto challenge. Maybe now. New all-time highs from Robinhood. Same for crypto challenge. Maybe now. Yes, indeed it is. I just showed it, Ali, a few moments ago. Hi all. Schifferler Stevens here. How are you? It could be a sign of authority relaxing while others are hyping. It could be a sign of seniority that you're relaxing while others are hyping, Martin. I like that. A sign of seniority. I like that. That's what I have. Martin, almost all of the money in the market is institutional. They absolutely will not hold in a crash. They absolutely will not hold in a crash. And that's fine. If it goes down, I will buy the new lows. No problem at all. 22, 100%. Absolutely. People are creatures of habit, and habit can make people stupid. That's a good comment there. Is Orbit going to close shop? We'll know tomorrow. Virgin Orbit will know tomorrow. Wednesday or Thursday, it was alleged to be revealed. I think that Richard Branson is going to go bankrupt. However, there could be a last-minute surprise, and Richard Branson has somebody about to buy it when it hits $20, 20 cents a share, and it will go straight up to $3. That's a possibility. That's why I'm keeping a very small amount of money in it, like a lottery ticket. I'm not buying and chasing it down. That would be stupid. But however, I am leaving some money in there, and I'm trying to scalp it. But I've only got the chance. I only had the chance to do it once. I wanted to do it 4 times to get my money back and then free shares. That time has come and gone. Now it's too late. Now we're at the 12th hour. Now we're waiting for the announcement. There's no point selling it. If it pops up, it's because someone's buying it and rescuing it, and then let it roll up. And then I can either set a stop trail loss and take it as high as I can with, say, a 5% drop, or just leave it for a long-term investment because someone's bought it. You never know. Okay, Vorb, it equals hard to say what will happen. Nobody knows. It's not being critical, Martin. One thing I can say about you is that you learn from your mistakes. Indeed, I make loads of mistakes. I learn nothing from success. We learn from mistakes all the time. That's how it works. I can see what you're doing is working, and getting out a margin was very wise. Best decision I ever made. Best decision I ever made. And that was because of all of you. I learned from you. I learn most from all of you. I do think the market can fall a lot further than you think, possibly though. Again, you have that experience. You've been in it longer than me. I thought a 10% drop was a lot. And, I realize now it's very different. Anyway, but I'm ready for that. I'm ready for that. I don't mind. I don't have to catch the bottom of the market because nobody can. I'm not trying to beat anyone. I'll just buy it, continually invest when the stocks go cheaper. Like I've always said, if I like the company of, let's just pick Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, great companies, make money, proprietary, innovative, solid, history, all of that. If I liked it here, why would I not buy it here? If I bought it here, why would I not buy it here? What I don't want to do is buy it here. And that's it. I'm not trying to time the market or beat anyone. Oh, by the way, Jeffrey Diamond, you're failing in your jobs here. You need to employ a speed reader. Yes, me, but it needs to be on site in Martin's studio. What does? Yeah, have to be subscribed to chat. Gets rid of a lot of bots. They have to be subscribed for 5 minutes as well. I've set it that they only need to be subscribed straight away. You can set 5 minutes. At the moment, I've got it that straight away. But we'll look at that. Tio, remember I always told you I would have to change the rules as we grew. Eventually, it'll be I only speak to gold members. Eventually, sorry guys, it'll be I only speak to gold members. Yeah, most streamers do it. It's just to get people to sub. Getting subscribers only has one advantage. In fact, two. Getting subscribers does nothing. It's about watch time. Watch time is what earns you money. Watch time is how you grow the channel, okay? For suggested videos. And that's what it's all about. Subscribers, what's important for getting subscriptions is two things. One, I want to get 10,000 subscribers. Why? So I can do fundraisers. My super chats will go directly to my fundraisers when I get 10,000 subscribers. That's great. If I turn that feature on, which I will when we do fundraiser events. So that's really good. And two, I want to get to 100,000 subscribers. Guess why? Can anyone guess why I want 100,000 subscribers? Tell me why. Someone could do it from the green room. Good idea, Mike. Good day for Arnold. No margin. Good day for Arnold. No margin today. Arnold the Palmer. I'm not doing it. Say, Mike, I'm not bloody doing it. I don't want to see it all-time high. Can we have a look at the end? Can we look at that and then Coinbase? I want to see if at all-time high. Can we look at that and then Coinbase stock? Yes, of course we can. Here is my Coinbase. And yes, it is an all-time high. Whoa, it's plowing ahead. Look at that. Oh, yes, it is. It's an all-time high. If we look at that there, that figure there was 1117. Yep, 1125. That's the highest. Thank you, Ali. Yep, that's the very, very highest I've ever been on Coinbase. Now you wanted to ask about the Coinbase stock, didn't you? So I will share Coinbase stock. I've only got one, and I blame you for that. You told me to buy one. You didn't. If you said buy 10, I would have bought 10, but you didn't. So I'm very unhappy with you. Very unhappy with Ali Tizro. $83. I bought it for 48. I'm up 138%. Brilliant. 138%. Next time you got a good tip, can you tell me how many to buy this time? Flipping heck. Unbelievable. Buy one, he said. Anyway, not advice. So Richard is a winner. I'm learning to lean toward a last-minute rescue. That's why I'm staying in the stock. That's my real money. I have the red live button, but it seems to be you're delayed by a few minutes. Anyone else have a similar thing? I'm actually delayed by 30 seconds because we have captions turned on. If I turn that off, then I am up to date. If I want to do closed captions, then I am 30 seconds behind. Hi, back again. You want that's right. You want the 100,000 award. Yes, I do. I want the plaque on the wall. So far, it's a success. Yeah, Orbit pumped 1 cent. Yeah. Hi, Craig, Jeffrey, how you doing? Time to buy. At 40 to 44, he's telling you. Stephen Lewandowski's giving you a top tip. Anyway, there we go. We've got through all the flipping comments. Right, 1 minute to go. Here we go. We're getting ready to ring the bell. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Here we go. Is the broadcast lounge open? Yes. No one's in there right now. I'm just checking if anybody wanted to come in. "30 seconds to go." Well, with my lights, why I keep scratching my face is I think I can see a hair here. The lights, I don't know if it's my eyelashes are getting longer or something, but my eyes, I can see a line here all the time. It's like really weird. That's why I keep doing this, thinking there's got to be something in my eye. I should be American footballer and have black lines under my eyes. That would sort it out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. $22 says, I'm calling BS on this pump. This is rubbish. He's bought some puts. For those of you who don't know what puts is, he's bought some options, and he's expecting, essentially, 22 is betting on the markets going down. I think he's absolutely right. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do options trading. I wouldn't do shorts or betting like that. That's not what I do. I just hold and buy lower prices when it goes down. That's all I do. My strategy is very, very simple, but it works for me. All right. I mean, I'm happy. It's not everyone's cup of tea. I'm not trying to become a millionaire. I'm just growing steadily all the way up like this. That's all I want. Slow, steady growth, and there we go. We're at an all-time high, $48,329. I am more than happy with that. Don't need my portfolio to go to $1 million straight away. The most important thing is to grow my portfolio, grow my YouTube channel, so I can earn more money, so I can invest more money, and then set it for all-time lows. And that's what I've got, and that's exactly what I'm doing. And I'll just keep working, keep investing, and keep the strategy and the calmness, and not get carried away, not buy the pumps, just buy the dips. And eventually, as it was pointed out in my show many, many times, eventually you've said to me, well, that's all very well and good, but eventually you won't be able to buy the dips. There won't be any dips anymore. And I don't know. I think there'll always be opportunities, because look at what happened after COVID. We ran up for 2 years and then dropped off like a stone. We might get other crashes again. Will it be all-time lows? Probably not. Probably not. But as long as we're getting cheaper, 20-30% discounts from where we currently are, just do it then. Whenever the market drops, nothing goes in a straight line. Whenever we get moments when we've dropped 20%, our bad earnings, a war breaks out, inflation, whenever we drop 20% on a stock that you've held, you buy another one. And by that time, you might have loads of cash sitting there doing nothing, earning 4%. You go, all right, I'll buy 10 shares of Amazon, 10 shares of Tesla, and you'll buy a 20% drop. Is that the bottom? That you don't care. It's 20% less than you've got. You're happy anyway, right? By that point, you're up 100% on everything, and you're not bothered. As long as you're going up, and as long as your money's worth more. And at that point, once I get to the 200,000, then I'll go, I've grown my portfolio enough. Now I don't want any risk at all. Now I'm just going to buy dividend stocks. Now I'm just going to buy the S&P 500 or something like that, and earn the dividends and go, sod it. No risk at all now. I just want a passive income. And if I can get $1,000 a month on dividend stocks coming in, then happy days. Right, I bought puts 5 minutes ago. I'm calling BS on the pump. I read that out a minute ago. Sorry for repeating that. Okay, that is it. The bella's now gone. We've got 4 hours now of aftermarket in Robinhood. It can go all the way until 7 o'clock. Who wants me to stay on till 7 o'clock? 4, 5, another 4 hours. Who wants me to carry on for 4 hours? If everyone gives me a super chat, I'll do it. Bloody hell. I might take a little break in between, put my little break up, but I would keep it going. If everyone gives me a super chat, I might go. I'll go until the after hours closes at Robinhood. That way we can see what's going to happen, because I reckon tonight we're going to get something on Virgin Orbit. That's just a feeling I've got. I think, for me, I would have thought Richard Branson wants to get the news out before tomorrow. Because tomorrow, if we get a disaster, who wants to invest in Virgin Orbit if we get some bad reaction tomorrow? Anyway, don't punish yourself, Steve Johnson. Don't you worry about me, mate. Nothing will stop me. Nothing will stop me. I'll be here. Don't you worry about that. Nothing's too much trouble for you guys. For my family, I'll keep going. Liam must be out. No, Ali Tizro said yeah. Ali Tizro said yeah. How many have I got in? I got 42 watching. If I get the majority of people give me a super chat, I will let it run until 7 o'clock. I will. That's a promise. I'll let it run. I might put up the little, I'm on a break for 5 minutes so I can get a drink, something to eat, but I'll keep it running because tonight is so important. Tonight is important because in the morning, in fact, let's get everybody queued up for that now. I want everybody ready for the biggest show we've ever done tomorrow. All right, the biggest show. Ali's spending his XRP profits. Hang on, can I close that? Yeah, let me bring that up here. Let me make sure that everyone has their front row seat ticket for the FOMC report, because there are thousands of places you could watch Jerome Powell speak tomorrow, but there is only one official place where you'll all be important, where you can all put your questions to Jerome Powell, where you can all speak to me, where you can all get noticed. There is only one place, and that's right here. That's right here, right now. Right here, right now. There's a song like that, isn't there? So there you go. Here is the link for tomorrow. So what I want you to do is go there right now and leave a like. Book your ticket. Front row ticket. The first 10 people get a prize. There's no prize, right? There's no prize. There's 3 likes on it. Click the like button. You can leave a chat if you want in the live chat. All right? And click the little bell. See the little bell here. And then you will... Oh, hello. I've got 2 super chats. This might be the longest ever show in the history of the world. Oh, no. That's 2. Let me have a look. All right. So let's have a look. Did I imagine that? Because for some reason my chats aren't showing. Ali. I thought I saw Ed. What's going on here? Eric B. Yeah, there is. My computer's gone a bit weird. I did see one. Right. Okay. You know what that means, right? Yeah, my computer's going. Yeah. My computer's going, you've made videos, you streamed for 12 hours, I'm getting tired. That's what's going on. Anyway, that doesn't matter. So what we're going to do now is we've got 2 celebrations here to do. We've got Ali Tizro, first of all. Thank you, Ali, for your tip. If I get a majority, oh my God, that's 3. Leah's going, you've been going since 6. That will be a 13-hour day in the studio, an all-time world record. No one in the history of the world has ever done that. There you go. Thank you ever so much, Andrew Grady, for your super chat. I appreciate it. We've got Eric B. Thank you so much indeed for your super chat. Yay. And Ali Tizro. Ali Tizro gave me a super chat as well. So Ali Tizro, thank you for your super chat. Boom. Bloody hell. All right. So what we might do is go to a little break, and we'll just have it running. And that way we can see. And I'll keep the Sky News feed, Bloomberg feed, and if we get any information from Sir Richard Branson. So right now the news on Sky News is a magnitude 6.5 earthquake has struck Afghanistan, with tremors felt as far across as India and Pakistan. That's obviously very sad news to hear. That's the breaking news there. Partygate's going on with Boris Johnson. Bloomberg is reporting. Let's have a quick look. What are they saying right now? They are saying, let me have a look. Anything coming up? There's definitely a hair on my face. I can feel a hair. I think it's like the day I used to have hair. It's like a flashback. It's like, yep, this is what it used to feel like. Putin hails China proposals for Ukraine talks with Z. Remember I said to you a few weeks ago, a week or so ago, I think the war is going to come to a sudden end. There are talks going on. And remember what I said when that happens. There won't be a World War III. The markets will rally 20% on that news. Does anyone dispute that? Does anyone dispute that? We just got another super chat. We've got MSK. MSK, thank you. That's 4 people now. This could be a 13-hour show. Boom. There we go. Hey. Brilliant stuff. Awesome. Right. Fantastic. All this money will go into my portfolio on the 21st of April. I have to wait till April. That's the way it works. At least 20%. Yeah. Put your thoughts in the chat. What do you see it going up by if the war ends? And I think it will. I've said it several times that this is not World War III. This is not going to be like other wars. It's a European war. It's not going to run forever. Xi and Vladimir Putin are coming up with something. Something's going to happen, and we're going to get the war end this year. Just as we are proposingly coming to a bull market. If you're not invested in the market right now, you're going to miss out. You're going to miss out. That's what I think is going to happen. Anyway, I took a bit of a trade, nothing off spot. Let's have a look. Let's read some more comments. Ali, have you taken any profit? At least 20%. There you go. Jeffrey Diamond says at least 20%. I see it's on the lower left quadrant of your peripheral face. I see it. You see a hair. I see it. It's on the lower left quadrant of your peripheral face. What the bloody hell does that mean? Yeah, it's grey. Yeah, it's definitely grey. No question about that. The war ending will result in a risk on window. I say if you're invested, you're in for pain. I say if you are invested, you're in for pain. See, 22, I don't see that. I do see, and it could drop 20%. I just see it as a buying opportunity. I don't see it as pain. The only time I see it as pain is if you've just been buying on the way up. Now, some people have. Millions of investors have just bought today. They had to have done. It didn't go up by itself. It didn't just do that by itself. Somebody bought the market today. Millions of people bought the stock market today. Millions. Millions of people bought the stock market today. Hang on. Let me listen in here. Let me listen in.
Big deal. Xi Jinping usually, when he's referring to the U.S., will say something like certain countries or hostile foreign forces. But I think the fact that he mentioned the U.S. at this point by name shows just how bad the relationship is getting.
All right, Tiff, at risk of sounding really stupid, but I'm okay with that. I mean, is China desperate?
I don't think China feels desperate at this point. I think that what they're doing is, first of all, they're going to do their best to try to continue to woo American corporates to China. The spokesman for the Ministry of Commerce during the same legislative meetings basically sent out the message: we're open for business. We want you back now that we've lifted the restrictions from the pandemic. So they want corporate America, but they're going to try to sort of divide and conquer. They realize that the relationship with Washington is in very dire straits. At the same time, they're trying to woo Europe, and it's obviously not easy when they've sided to the degree to which they have with Putin in the invasion of Ukraine.
And you were talking about the strained relationship China does have with Washington. What do you think the long game is here for China? What is the end sort of motivation to all of this?
I do think, and I am concerned, that China is deciding that the two sides are implacably opposed to each other, and that the room for actual cooperation is narrowing. So I hope that's not the case, but I do get that feeling that this is increasingly how Beijing feels. I think, as I said, they're certainly not going to close the door to American companies. They're certainly not going to close the door to the European Union. If the U.S. were to move a little closer to what China thinks is a proper bilateral relationship, I bet Beijing would be more than willing to talk with Washington. But I do think that the trend lines are pretty bad.
You talk about closing doors, and it's interesting. There's another.
So this is what I've been saying now for ages. You heard that comment there about China want to do deals with the West and all this, that, and the other. This is what I'm saying. We are living in a global market now. It's not like World War II at all. Germany thought they could do their own interests everywhere. And they could do what they wanted. That's not how we live anymore. Things are very, very different. And I think that is known by everyone. People get angry. People do stupid things all the time. But I don't see for a minute that the war will escalate into World War III. Not for a moment. And China want to do deals with America. Simple as that. They want to do deals with America. I've got people on TikTok asking about XRP. We've got someone who knows all about XRP in our YouTube channel right now who's talking in the chat all about XRP. If you want to come and join us, come and join us. What you're doing is watching me on TikTok. That is not for my traders and investors. I use TikTok to simply advertise my YouTube show. This is the YouTube broadcast. You're watching on a screen. You're just watching it on a phone, looking at the screen. Come onto YouTube and actually talk to the investors and see all the chat, see all the information you can't see here on TikTok. Okay. If it drops 20%, it will go much further. I don't think many people realize this is over a decade of debt to unwind. Ridiculous valuations for companies, property, everything, all of it built on debt. I absolutely agree with you. But that's how the world is. That's how it works. That's the game. That's the greed. That's the nonsense, as I like to call it. China needs Hong Kong as the friendly face. Commissionaires like the luxury apartment and mistresses. I love it. That's what it all comes down to. That's what it comes. Are we going to have a world war? Hang on a minute. Does this mean I don't get my mistress? She comes around in a little tidy outfit, those little stilettos. Yeah. If we have a World War III, you might lose your mistress. I quite like that little perk. We'll hold off. We'll hold off the war. We want to make sure that you're taken care of. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. We can move on. Brilliant. Jeffrey Diamond. Jeffrey Diamond has got it all sorted out. Ali Tizro. I can't share comments on the screen at the moment, unfortunately. YouTube have stopped sending them. Remember, it just suddenly does that sometimes? It just does it. So XRP case could take more than a year. They can win. Then XRP can appeal, then go to a jury and Supreme Court. But she can also say XRP isn't a security. ETORO. Well, EU also wanted to do business with Russia for cheap energy, so this rationality argument doesn't work. I'm not so sure, ETORO. It's the oil and the fuel and the energy argument is very, very complicated. Everyone has a different view, but funnily enough, everything still works. Things are still working overall. Yes, there's inflation. Yes, prices are ridiculous, but things, generally speaking, are still working. Right? I'm just saying. Let's read some more comments here. Russia and Ukraine are relatively unimportant countries from the economic perspective. Just wait until China invades Taiwan. Correct, says 22. Well, time will tell. We shall see what happens in all good time, right? Okay, I'm trying to share this screen with you. Let me just, there it is. Let me just move that. Let me just move that. 1 second, here we go, up to there. There you go. So now I've got a backup way of doing things. Oh yeah, we just keep getting better, folks. We just keep advancing our channel. There you go. Just made a few updates, a few alterations. Okay, and you didn't even see me do it, did you? You didn't even notice it. You didn't even know it was happening. All right, so there we go. Okay, now then, let's see if we can get some more information about Virgin Orbit. So I've got people all the time sending me information, and I'm looking all the time on my sources for information on Virgin Orbit. Richard Branson won't post it on his Twitter feed. I'll tell you that for nothing. So if you look in there, you're barking up the wrong tree. You've got to be looking at people that deal with Richard Branson, that share it and leak it. And they leak it on purpose, more than likely. But we want to find out if Virgin Orbit, there we go, 2.3% in the after hours. 2.3%. It's got to go to 70 before I can trade it. But as I say, it's getting very close now. If we get someone buy 3 million shares, like what I talked about earlier, and it bounces, then it will move $3, $2-3. Then I want to stay in for a while, and then I'll just I will trade it up. I will do a stop trail loss. Remember though, stop trail loss only works during the open hours. If you set that, it won't work in the pre-market. You need to cancel it and get out. It only works really for day trading. Who have we got here? Paul B's here. Germany has no clear planning for energy for the next year. For the next years, they just bridge the winter months with overpriced LNG and some coal. Howdy, we've got Paul B here. Do you know what? I don't know why Paul B always reminds me to do this. I don't know what it is, but let's hear. We've not heard from some voices for a while. Here is Alex. These are some of our members that have called in. If you are a YouTube member, you can call in and you can do this. Here's Alex.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
Here's Bubble. What happened to him?
Welcome to The Day Trader, Martyn Lucas Channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join The Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
Yeah.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make
Rob
yourself
McLean.
some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Yeah, I do need to.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Ali Tizro.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us. Join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together, and Martyn is the most straight-up person I've met so far. No chitter-chatter. We just get straight to it.
Do you remember this? See, I'm always friends with everybody. Even if they're naughty and they say horrible things and they send a bunch of bots and scammers and schemers and God knows what else, I'm still nice. I've still kept it. Here it is. We've not heard from this person for a very long time, but I'm going to play it. When we were once friends. I'm always friends, but he's just not welcome on the channel anymore. But here we go.
Currently, your channel is something unique that I
Remember
like
this?
about because you're helping people. You relay excellent information and real information and no hype at all. That's why I like your channel.
Best YouTube channel in the world. It's great family, great support all around, not just for Martyn's channel, but for every channel that you guys come and watch. So that's why you need to be part of the Day Trader family.
I didn't pay anything. These are people that phone in. Here's Paddy.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
Hello. I know that went crazy loud there. Leah just came in. What's going on with that? For some reason, that came out really loud. I don't know why.
Martyn Lucas is
Do you remember Martin Redding?
Oh, man. He has a wonderful British humor, which I love. This is a real person doing real things with our real family. I've been trading for a long time now, but I have also learned some things from Martyn, as well as he's learned some stuff from other people. And we are all trying to make it to our retirement so that we don't have to work anymore and enjoy life.
I would like to welcome the new members especially, and I'm so proud of this family and your work. Well, especially this family has been so wonderful doing some work for Uganda. On behalf of Zach, I'd like to thank you so much.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Izumaki here. I just wanted to say the Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martyn's an honest guy and helps us through all the market ups and downs. Don't be shy, say hello and join the family.
Here on Martyn Lucas Day Trading. Great show, great community. Loving the feels from a local man that is now not local, but soon to be probably local again at some point in his life. Just keep it going, keep getting rich, or at least watching your money and holding your money and saving it for the rainy day, which will come one day.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since as the place to be. If you want to have fun, make money, enjoy yourself, join the Martyn Lucas Daytime Trader Show. And he sings a song for you. He'll do your birthdays and have a good time with everybody. New members are needed and wanted, and away we go. We have fun. We support each other.
I have to first say that, your show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the Day Trader. Amazing guy, very honest, very open, packed with loads of information, doesn't feed into the baloney that we hear in the markets every day. Oh my gosh, we're going to only go up. We're never going to go down. Again, daily on the show, every morning, every afternoon. I make sure I don't miss a beat. The Day Trader Show with Martyn Lucas, everyone.
I enjoy this so much. I'm on a lot of teams, and your content and your energy and your music, I love it. So I'm glad to be here. I love your content. I love your music. I love your broadcast. I'm so happy to be here. So
there you go. Few of the family there. Mike was saying he hasn't got mine. Trust me, I've still got it. I haven't put it into the system yet. It ain't going anywhere. I've got it. Be your own bank, Churchy. What did Churchy say? Be your own bank. What did Church say? Let me just read up. I can't see anything there. I bet Martyn listens to these all the time. Leah must be sick of it. No, I don't. I just played it now. I only play it when I play it with you. I don't just sit here in the daytime, just in between in the evening when we're watching the telly. Bloody hell. Right, okay. So anyway, we didn't get the majority of you do a super chat saying carry on until the after hours closes. So we're going to wrap it up in a minute. About 20% of you did. But maybe not even 20% actually, more like 15%. Anyway, so I might wrap it up. Just checking. I want to be here when Virgin Orbit announce something, which will probably be in the after hours, but it will only go until 7, which is for another 3.5 hours. So I was gonna let it run. And we'll see. But anyway, let me check the FOMC report. We've got 7 likes now. Brit Mark's here. There we go. Brit Mark is there. Mike, haha, Mark, you beat me. Damn it. Yeah. Mike's getting beaten from time to time now. I noticed that. He has to be more on it. So we've got 7 likes now. So if you're not ready for the FOMC report tomorrow, the record was 6,000 people watching it live. It would be really, really great if we could get that again. Probably announce they're going bankrupt. That's what we expect. That's what we're expecting. I was down $1,000. I lost my. I sold it, accepted it, took the loss, bought it back in at 50 cents, sold it at 70, managed to get $150 out of it. So I lowered my loss to 850, and I sold it at 70. So then I bought back in again for a second time, and now we're waiting for it to go to 70 so I can get out. I need to do it 4 times to get my money out, and that way I can then buy back in and hold the shares. But it's not happened for 2 days now. Now it's too late. So if it goes to 70 now, and I probably won't sell it. In fact, I won't. If it just slowly goes to 70, I'll sell it. Yes, I've got the buy order placed. It's ready to be sold. But you know, at the end of the day, if it goes up quickly, which if we get the news that everything is good, which could come at any time, then it'll pop up and then I'll stay in. And then we'll be good. But anyway, I've got half the position I used to have, because I'm limiting the risk. It could easily go bust and I'll lose 176 and accept that. Mike, breakfast chats, super. Let's have a little look. Regarding Vorb, I'll be watching the SEC for new. I'll be watching the SEC for new filings. Yes, I get those sent to me, as anyone can, as a shareholder. It's not just me. We can all, just me. I get those as well. There was plenty sent out yesterday from for Virgin Galactic. Lots of SEC filings yesterday. I had four statements yesterday. It's playing on a permanent loop on loudspeakers through the house. Oh, is it? ETORO. Let me just read these comments that we've got here. Probably announced they're bankrupt tonight. Well, that's what we're waiting for. That's why we're here. That's why we're here. I could have sworn me and the market said about Virgin products in the. I could have sworn me and Market Profit said about Virgin products in the past. Can you make a video of XRP up 27% and crypto challenge? Can I make a video of XRP up 27% on the crypto challenge? Let me have a look. The crypto challenge. Let's have a little look. It would be. Oh yes. Oh bloody hell. Okay. Yes, we'll put that onto the crypto challenge playlist. Okay. So let me duplicate a page. A minute. And XRP. Let me do this right now. XRP. Okay. Ali, can you give me the key points, please? Give me the key points why this has happened in the chat, which I can mention. I've just realised I can't share them. That's a darn nuisance. But I will be able to. I don't know why Robinhood think this is a good idea about doing it like this, but there we go. That's the best I can do it. It is awful when it comes to fitting on my screen. Ripple, there we go. Okay, so let me make a video. I'll make a video. So Ali Tizro, give me some facts today. It's a shame I can't post them on the screen. That would have been really, really useful. Okay. Okay, Coinbase. No key points. Okay, that's all good to me. I'm just preparing how it looks. Okay. Okay, here we go. Refresh Coinbase, maybe it's higher. There we go. Okay, so here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Here is an update of our crypto challenge. I'm running a crypto challenge with our crypto expert, Ali Tizro, and I invested $1,000, and most of it, only a small part of it, is actually invested right now. And look how much I'm up, 128 bucks. Most of it is still in USDC. It's a very sensible, very conservative, protective portfolio. We don't take unnecessary risks. We want slow, steady growth, but look how well we've done. And we're going to share with you what's going on, because it's looking pretty hot right now. And what is moving, I'm going to share with you exactly what is going on right now. So here we go. This is my position right now. Let's have a look. XRP. As you can see, look at it, looking really, really great. Right at the top of there. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Multiverse, Litecoin, Flow, Pluton, sorry. This is our assets that we have. The ones at the bottom were my free ones on Coinbase. If you want my Coinbase referral, you could get $10 of free Bitcoin and win some extra by doing the quizzes. But these are our assets that we're holding right now on the crypto challenge. Ali said to share it today. Normally we don't share it because it's a premium service where Ali will tell us what to buy, when to buy it, when to sell it, when to hold it, and all the rest of it. But we are sharing it now because we are saying that this is the wrong time to buy it. We're already in. So there you go. You can see how XRP Ripple is up today. If I go over to this screen, you can see, look, we are now up 27.6% today. So if we're doing a crypto challenge, it's all about discipline. We don't want to be watching other YouTube channels where they're telling us everything's going to $1 million because they bought it years ago and they want you to watch because it makes them money to watch their videos. I don't make videos for you to watch. I make videos to build a family, build a community of a base for my channel. I don't want to make sensationalist videos. I'm not going to say that everything's going to explode tomorrow when I don't believe it. I'm also investing with my own real money. This is my own hard-earned money that I invest. All my money that I have goes into my portfolio here on Coinbase and Robinhood. This is my $1,000 to $7,000 challenge. I am actually now looking at moving from, $1,000 to $10,000, I beg your pardon. I am now looking to go from $7,000 to $100,000 challenge as everything is going so well. I love it. But mainly, of course, because my portfolio is growing in value, in overall value, so I can increase the amount of money in crypto. So what do you think of this? This is what's going on right now. If you are new to the channel, please do click subscribe and smash the like button if you like this video and you want to share it with your friends. That'd be great. If you'd like to be part of our crypto challenge, look below in the description and you will see the link to our premium service. If you are a member of mine, the link's also below. You will see that you get a lifetime discount, virtually makes my membership for free. But there you go. Just a quick update on our crypto challenge, going very, very nicely. We're very excited today. As you can see, a decent part of my investment is on XRP. It's up 27.79%. The overall, once again, if I just share with you, these are all our assets that I've currently got. Right at the top it does it in value, of course. At the top is XRP. Then we've got Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Multiverse. And these have all been bought at a precise time and a precise amount. We're not just buying random amounts of coin willy-nilly as and when. We know when we want to buy them and how much we want to buy them. And it looks like my camera's frozen, so I'll have to re-edit that. Just stay with me a second. Hang on. Okay, the camera froze there for a second, so we'll cut that and edit that again. So looking at all our assets, the majority of our assets are held in USD, where we're earning 4%. So it's quite incredible that we're up $128 when only 30%, less than 30% of our money, of our $1,000 is invested. Pretty impressive, really. I think you'll agree that the crypto challenge is going rather well. So there you go. And again, we are showing these assets on the screen. It's normally a premium service where we don't share them. We're doing it because we are not suggesting now that you go out and buy these today. It's the wrong time to buy them. It's all about timing. And remember, this is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing with my real money. Ali's doing with his money. And we've got other members on our service who are spending their real money, okay? So this is the real deal. There you go. Very exciting day today. Of course, tomorrow is the FOMC report. We'll be there live with it. We've prepared all our positions. We're ready to rock and roll. Let me share with you my overall portfolio of my Robinhood account. There you go. Looking great. All-time highs today for me. This is my all-time high in my Roth and my main brokerage, and 48,334. It's the most money I've ever had in my entire life. Great. So join us later for another version of Martyn Lucas Investor. I have no idea what I was going to say then. In the meantime, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. And right at the end of that, I want to do a thumbnail. So let me get rid of that. Let me get rid of that. Go to camera 1. And I want to unlock the scene and do a logo. Okay, be over here. And this is my XRP. Yeah! Okay, this is a thumbnail, guys. If you're wondering what's going on here, I'm making a thumbnail. I've got to be just at the side, just in the light. Let me just change my light to spot 2. The spot moves there. There we go. Now I'm off camera and do it again. Okay. That's how I do that. Move my lights back there and bring the logo back in. Lock the scene. Bring up the tickers. And there we go. All right. There you go, Mr. Ali Tizro. Refresh. It's still pumping. Well, I'm not going to do it again. Kathy would expect super exponential growth and quote, that's hilarious. There is talk about the XRP pumping, sparking the next bull run in the summer. This XRP could keep going. Still pumping. Refresh. No Skoda for me. Refresh. All right, I'll refresh. Flipping heck. Well, it should be on. I don't need to refresh on here. This is the up-to-date price. 28%. I don't need to change it on here. This is moving. Yeah, see. Anyway, good day for everyone. Ciao. Jeffrey Diamond is out. Jeffrey Diamond's had enough. He said, sod this, I've had enough. What was the comments during that? Anyone make any comments? What's going on with France? Does anyone know? Let me have a look. Is there any news with France? Let me have a little look. Redemptions rise to about 6 billion from Circle USDC. Stable coins. Redemptions rise to about 6 billion from Circle USDC coin. Stable coin. Corn slumps as weather conditions improve for US crop. That's good. We want commodity prices to come down. That's inflation. That brings costs down. Let me go over to Sky News. Someone mentioned France. No, just Partygate. Just Partygate. Flipping heck. We are still running this evening. We are still running. Look at this. Look. Look at that. We're still running. Right, so I need to mark that. When did I make that film? Put that out. Anybody else want me to make a film on something? What do you want? Let's, where did I do it? 1 hour 44. 1 hour 44 XRP. It'll be 1 hour 40 when I did it. Right. We didn't get a majority of you say carry on. I'm not surprised. You've had me for like 10 hours today. It's like, hang on a minute, mate. Bloody hell, mate. This is you know, how much do we need? If that's the case, he has 3 million shares, then Richard Branson owns about 30% of the company. Project Freedom just said. How many times can you buy 3 million shares? This should be crypto after hours. Wow, XRP, the trade on Discord. The trade on Discord is up a lot. Let me go back to it. Let's have a little look. There you go. Wow. When you think we've only got $300 invested, that's 30%. Essentially, we've made 30%. I'm very happy with that because the majority of my money isn't even invested. It's just earning 4%. Thinking I should buy 500 worth of XRP. Paul B, are you on the crypto challenge? We're buying it when Ali says buy it. Don't you buy it when you think so. You got to buy it when Ali says so. I wonder if anybody will go off the rails. I wonder if anybody will go, I like this XRP. I'm gonna buy it. I never do that. I never, ever buy anything when it pumps. It's absolutely ridiculous. I just enjoy it going up. I only buy it when it goes down. Remember, we've said time and time again, it's not about making money. A monkey can make money. It's keeping it is the hard part. That's the skill. Anyone can make money. A monkey can pick stocks. You try and keep it. Right. Virgin Orbit. Still no news, but we are moving up slowly. Virgin Galactic. That's just hovering sideways. Let's bring everybody up to date. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's do that now. Let's bring everybody up to date. Let's see. 366 people through the stream. 6838. Can you show candlestick chart of XRP, or you don't have access? It always retraces. A monkey can also keep it. XRP. Let's have a little look. Ali Tizro. Advanced. Yes. Review. Oh, we got a review. I'm reviewing the situation. I'm reviewing the situation. La 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 la. Okay, let me go. I've got another page for this. I built this. I built a page where it shows the let me have a look. It's not this page. It's let me have a little look. It might be in the earnings. I built a page. I knew Ali Tizro would. There you go. alt video screen. So it's got that screen over there. So if I go to here and zoom out and go to XRP, I knew you were going to do this to Ali. I knew you were going to throw me for a loop. Here we go. There you go. Look at this. This is service. This is what I do for my sponsors. It doesn't really. You can't really see very much, can you? On that, to be fair, I can turn the candles on as well, but it's doesn't demonstrate very well, I don't think. No, I don't like that. Add data. I can a moving average. There you go. I can make it look like I know what I'm doing. Exponential moving average. The MACD. Oh yeah, we know we're looking good now. Look at that. You never seen anything like it, have you? There you go. Not the best charts on Robinhood. No, it is part of his job. I don't like the day, or I don't give up on the day job or singing. No, I've got no intention of it. I've got no intention. I'm coming back. I'm getting out of that. I don't do charts. That's not me. That's not me. That's rubbish. I'm not interested in that. What do I want to do that for? I've got Ali Tizro. Come on. Think about it. Why have I got to do all this? I haven't got to do this, have I? I don't need to do any of this stuff. No, I've got Ali Tizro. Ali Tizro does charts. All I got to do is put that on the screen. That's all I got to do. Keep it clean. Keep it simple. Keep it straightforward. All right? None of this malarkey going on here. All right? None of the malarkey. Let's refresh it. 1,129. Ah, we've lost $1, Ali. Ali, it's gone down $1. Not happy now. You said I was going to keep making money. Right, I think we're going to wrap it up. Not the best charts. No worries. Good night all. Enjoy XRP while it lasts. Yeah, don't you forget. Whoa. Before you bugger off, make sure you've got my phone number. Make sure you phone me up and say, Martin, all right, get rid of your XRP. If I don't hear from you, Ali, there's going to be an L up. I want to know. Don't you leave me hanging. You know my phone number. You call me, right? You call me the moment you think this is going down the toilet, right? Don't forget. I don't have to be a piano man. I just need to know one. Exactly. Eric B, if you need a piano man, you know who to call. All right? If I want to know about stuff, I call you. All right? Lost $1. I'm not joining the Discord. Yeah, I'm out. I wouldn't join it now if I was you. I'm down $1. And Ali should have called me a minute ago and said, sell. He didn't. So I'm losing money now. I'm losing money. So I should be this should be explained to me, but it's not. Okay, day trader of the day. Virgin Orbit's got some news. Virgin Orbit. Woo. Virgin Orbit is up 4.65 in the after hours. We are moving. This is what I was concerned about. Virgin Orbit is moving up in the after hours. So I'm going to do this now. Virgin Orbit. Here we go. I knew this was going to happen. I said it would. How did I know? Can't tell you. Secret. But I told you I know stuff. No one ever listens to me. 152. I told you, didn't I? I said in the after hours, something's going to happen. Don't keep it under your hat. But you know, you put it on YouTube, everyone knows, right? What can I tell you? Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We've kept our after hours show going tonight with good reason. I mentioned this afternoon and this morning that we probably would get some action in the after hours. The night before, the morning after, when Virgin Orbit potentially is going to go bust. In the after hours, we're up 4.65%. So, are we going to get a last-minute buy-in from Richard Branson's best mate down the pub? Someone who's going to come in and swoop in and buy the company. I'm still holding my position, a smaller position, half of my original position. I've traded my way out of it. Got hardly any real value there now, just $180. However, it started to move up. I have a 70 cents sell, but if it moves quickly, and I mean really quickly, then I'm going to have to reassess whether it's actually a takeover, a buy-in, something that's going on, or it's just some more scalp trading. So we need to watch the charts, need to keep our eye on the news. But I had a feeling tonight would be some news, and it is the case. So this is the after hours, or we're just going back down again. So it looks like scalp trading at the moment. This is Virgin Orbit right now. Let me just play this in the background for you. You can see this. Here we go. This is Virgin Orbit when they last did their mission, and it sadly failed. Is it possible that at the last few minutes, either tonight or first thing in the morning, somebody comes in and buys the company? Now, I just tried to buy the company. It was 400 million shares. It wouldn't let me buy them because there are only 3 million available. The other 397 million, you go and try it. You can't buy them. The 397 million shares are not available. You can only buy 3 million shares. So I've tried to buy them. And unfortunately, when I tried to buy them, it came up and it said, you haven't got enough buying power. And I thought, what? Seriously? Anyway, it wouldn't let me buy them. So there you go. There are 3,000 outstanding shares of Virgin Orbit right now. And going back to the chart, there you go. It's just fallen away a bit. So we had a nice little pump there. So at the moment, this is suggesting to me that this is no more than scalp trading. People like me, and hopefully you, trying to get their money out of the stock. So Virgin Orbit, it's going up in the after hours. We'll be live tomorrow. Don't forget to join us tomorrow. It's a big day. We'll be live for the FOMC report. If you click up here, that'll take you to the FOMC report. Join us live. And also, if you want to join us live as well for Virgin Orbit breaking news, click up here and that will take you to our live events throughout the day. And lastly, if you want to know what will happen tomorrow if your brokerage fails, which it could, and the banks could fail, click up here and that will take you to the video all about what to do if your brokerage fails. We need to know what will happen to our shares. I've done the research for you. I know exactly what will happen. And I'll tell you now, a little spoiler, it's good news. You're absolutely fine. Even if the custodian and the bank and the brokerage all go down the toilet, we've got a plan. So if you want to know about that, click up there. That's it. We thought we had a little bit of excitement then for a moment. Unfortunately not. But join us in the morning. We'll know more. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, that's Virgin Orbit. Someone just said to me, day trader of the day. Yes, let's finish. Let's finish and get out of here. Right. Day trader of the day. I am up. Again. 1.65%. There you go. I'm up 1.65%. So let's see where you are. I'll put a minute on the clock. You've got a minute. And if you're late, you're late. If you miss it, you miss it. What can I say? All right? What a life. What a life I lead. Spend my life talking to myself. Nothing like it. Let's close the broadcast lounge down. $30 seconds to go. Brit Mark is up 1.86. Darn it. I'm not going to win tonight. That was close. I'll take it. 20 seconds to go. Eric is up 0.74. Brit Mark is up 1.86. No bloody idea, but up $370 on XRP. That was well worth it, wasn't it? Wasn't that worth it, being a member of the Discord channel? Told you. People don't listen to me. You could have made money there, couldn't you? All right, so well done. Congratulations for being a member. You are a member of it, aren't you? Or did you just buy it like sneaky, like find out what I'm doing? Give me a phone call. Crag is down 14.61. We're sorry to hear that, mate. But it looks like Britmark, we're going to celebrate with Britmark. So let's celebrate. Thank you very much indeed for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. Ali Tizro, day trader of the day. Britmark, yes. Here we go. Let's do it. Let's bring in the sound effects. Here we go. Right, we didn't get the majority say carry on till 7 o'clock. Good job, really. That would have been 13-hour stream. So let's roll the credits. Roll the credits live. Here we go. Shoopy dooby doo. Oh yeah. All right, let's bring in the ticker. Get rid of that. Look. So let's have a little look. We're back in the morning, of course, for the FOMC report. Are you ready? Put your big boy pants on. Stars of the show. Super chats. Vision for Bitcoin. Ali Tizro. Eric B, Andrew Grady, and MSK. Thank you guys for your support for the channel today. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Love that. Sorry to the rest of you. We're not going to do a show for another 3 hours because you were too tight, basically. I mean, it was there. It was there on offer. If I got a majority of people give me a super chat, I was going to keep this stream going until 7 o'clock tonight, and you could have chatted with each other, you could have been friendly with each other. It was there provided, but you didn't want it. So don't moan and go, oh, I wish Martyn Lucas was on air. You had the chance and you blew it. So don't go moaning to anybody. All right, you not staying so we get no. I said it had to be a majority. 4 people. There's 25 watching right now. That's not a majority in my book. So no super chat refunds. Nothing. You lose. That's it. You should have all chatted amongst each other and said, are you tipping? Yeah, I am. Are you doing it? Yeah, I am. Yeah, are you doing it? Yeah, then let's go. You didn't do that. That's what I would have done. I would have used my brain. I would have asked everybody in the chat, is everyone going to tip for a super chat to carry on? Yep, we're all doing it. Then I would have done it, but you didn't. You just jumped on in. You just jumped on in, not working as a team, and look what happens. You end up losing. I'm just saying. There you go. Night All says Brick Mark. Okay, I'll have a free mug. Damn it, said Eric B. See you all in the morning. I know you're gonna miss me. I know life is tough, but that's how it goes. Until next time. Take care of your money. Take care of yourselves. And each other.